In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix error code 15 on YouTube on your mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this works exactly the same on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. The steps are pretty much the same, but if you're getting error code 15 and you're not able to watch anything or anything like that, what you want to do is go over to your settings. So I'm going to swipe down on the top right, which is going to bring up my control panel. Then on the top right, I'm going to see the settings wheel icon. Click on that. Scroll down until you see apps. So I'm going to go ahead and find that right now. If you're on iPhone, you want to go to general and then go to iPhone storage. And then all you want to do when you're over here is go over and find YouTube. So you can scroll through all of them if you want, but you can just go to the search bar and then just type in YouTube. Go ahead and click on it. Then on iPhone, Android, and Samsung, what you want to do is basically go to storage. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and clear your cache. Once you clear your cache, it should work and you should no longer get error code 15. If you're still getting it, come back to this section. And on the left, you're going to see the clear data button. You can also go ahead and clear your data as well. The final thing I'd recommend is just make sure you're not on a VPN, because error code 15 can also be caused by a VPN. So just check if you're on a VPN up here as well. And that's it. You should have YouTube working again without error code 15. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.